Hi, the summer is coming, and spring's coming, summer's coming. It's time to get that beach body that you want. And the guys at Sweet Sweat sent me this waist trimmer. And this is something that I use all my life. When I'm exercising, I like my core to be warm and, sweat a little of those water pounds. And let me show you. First of all, let me tell you that you can tell, right, that a product is made out of quality when the packaging is quality. And this is beautiful. So it has this strap here. You do like that, and there you go. You're taking the strap in. Oh man, this is beautiful. So you see, with a nice branding. I wish you could feel this. It's neoprene, really tough, and rubbery. This thing is going to last for a long time, and because I'm a big guy, this is going to be a big belt that is going to go all around my waist. You see that? And yeah, that's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be sweating. So the way to do this, right, is you put this around yourself, right? And with the Velcro, secure it in place, and there you go. Time to exercise and sweat that localized sweat off the mid area or wherever you put it, right? So this is the Velcro right here. You see that? Yeah, it's a really strong Velcro, and you go like that, and there you go. Nice and snug, very solid. It's starting to get warm already, and there you go. People are gonna know exactly what is it that you want this for. So thank you for the guys at Sweet Sweat for sending this. This is adjustable. It's beautiful, and I'm gonna keep this because it gives me some nice back support, not too hard, but really comfortable because it's sort of ergonomic. And what's great about this is that it's latex free because they're taking care of having good materials, good quality materials on this thing. So wait, let me take it off so I show it off again. Thank you, Sweet Sweat, for this. Ooh, I love it. And of course it smells like, it smells. If there's a video that smells, this one it is. And